Good morning, everybody. Today we are adding in windows into our piece. So we downloaded our Architectural Windows 100 series casement windows Revit file, loaded them up into Revit. Looking over here, windows all set a sill height or a header height of 6'8", 6'8" for our header height always. And then the size of the window determines what's called the sill height. So this is the sill of the window, the header of the window. So the sill height is different depending on what room we're putting these windows in. If we are doing a living room, we want the biggest window possible so we can see out as far as possible. And generally, you don't need a whole lot of privacy in a living room. But the minimum sill height now by residential code, if this is longer than 72 inches, is it's 24 inches tall. So the sill height has to be 24 inches tall or more. If I'm in a dining room or a bedroom, I am 2'6" for a sill height. If I am in a kitchen, looking over here, if I'm in a kitchen, it's a 3'8" for a sill height. So it's a 3-foot window and it's a 3'8" for a sill height, just so we can have room to put our kitchen cabinets here. So 3'8", 2 foot for living rooms, dining rooms and bedrooms, we're at 2'6". Okay, so that's the basics behind the window there. Now let's start designing. So we've brought our windows in. So if I go to window, you can see my Andersen window casement. Now the thing about these series windows, we need to create each of our own window types in that family. So I need to create a window that's going to go for these 3 windows here, 2 windows here. So I'm going to do a living room window here. Okay. So I'm going to go to here and hit Edit Type. And I'm going to hit Duplicate. And I'm going to call this living room. My grill pattern, this is how you can change your grill pattern and what a pattern looks like, and it's a pretty cool little feature there. But the main one that I'm looking for is my width of this window has to be 2 feet. And the height of this window, if I'm going 2 feet from the floor and I'm 6'8", so I'm 4'8" for my height. And I'm going to hit OK. So I'm going to take these casement windows here, and it says sill height, 2 feet, 1/16 of an inch. I'm happy with that. Wall depth. If the sill height is different than that, you should be at 6'8" for your header height. Come down here. Oh, I put in the apostrophe instead of the quotation mark. And then my sill height should show up correct, 2 foot. Wall depth is always going to be 7 1/16. So what this is talking about is how thick this wall is. So now when I come in here, I want the sill where my cursor is to the outside of the wall. 1, 2, 3. I just made a triple window here. It's going to look a little bit funky because it's got some extra trim here, but it holds it as a triple window there. So I got a triple window there. My next thing is I need to come to the bedroom, so I need to make my bedroom window. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to hit Edit Type again. I'm going to hit Duplicate. And in my bedroom, hit OK. Sliding down to the bottom. Again, the height of my window here is going to be, if I have 6'8" minus 2'6". Well, if I did 2'8", it'd be a 4-foot window. So it's a 4'2" window. I'm going to keep a 2-foot width and hit OK. Now I have my bedroom window. And this is a triple window as well over here. Boom. And I'm just getting them placed. I'm not worrying about where they're at this point. We'll talk about where they're at coming up. And boom. While I'm doing it, I got a double bedroom window over here. Boom and boom. And I got a single bedroom window over here. Now this single bedroom window over here is going to be a little bit bigger, and why don't we just make it a double? We want to give plenty of light for people in their bedroom. Bedroom windows and dining rooms work the same, so we're going to check this out to see if it fits. And look at that, it does fit in here for these windows on the side of this door. Looking back at our plan, so we've gotten this one, this one. We need a single window over the stairs. We got a double window there. Boom, boom. We need a kitchen window, and we need a window over this tub. Kitchen windows and tub windows are going to be about the same height. This one is going to be the same as a bedroom window. So if I come back over here into Revit, I'm going to put the bedroom window in. And then we're going to make a kitchen window. So we're going to hit Edit Type. And I'm going to come down to make a 6'8" minus 3 foot is a 3-foot window. Width still can be 2 feet. Oops, sorry. Hit cancel there. I forgot to duplicate. Edit type, duplicate, kitchen. Okay. Now I can slide down. The height is 3 feet. Width is 2 feet. Hit OK. I'm going to drop my kitchen window in. And again, I don't care about placement yet. I just care that it's going to be placed in there. Then we're going to put a 3-foot window. We're going to do a double window over this jetted tub. And now, if I go into 3D view, I should be able to see that I have all of my windows in place. Doors, windows. And if I look here, I notice these windows. If I look at the header height, this should be 6'8".